For this section, you will need to have both of the legs completed first. Remember to fasten off for the first leg, but do not fasten off for the second leg. We're going to continue crocheting from this point. So to start, you're going to chain 3. That's 1, 2, and 3 chains. And then you're going to pick up that first leg you made, insert your hook into a stitch in that first leg, like so. And then you're going to join using a single crochet. So I'm going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops to make my single crochet. Now, that's the first stitch on the first leg. You're going to go around and single crochet around the whole thing. Since the stitch count was 9 stitches and you just did 1, you're going to do 8 more. So I'll continue off here. Here's stitch number 2. Well, there's the first one, second one. I'm going to go around all 9 stitches. 3, 4, 5, 'down here, 6, next one is 7, 8, 'and there's my very 9th stitch, the last unworked one in this leg. Now that you've done that, you've come back to the chain again. You're going to work a single crochet in each of those 3 chains, like so. One, 2, and 3. And that brings us to the second leg. You're going to single crochet around each of those stitches in the second leg. So that's 9 stitches total. Insert your hook and start off. So that's 1 stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And at this point, you're going to go ahead and single crochet across the 3 chains on the other side now. So we'll go ahead and do those 3 single crochets here. 1 in that first chain, single crochet number 2 in the second chain, and lastly single crochet 3 in that last chain. So that's that for round 1 of the body. What you'll do is continue working around with the instructions to finish the rest of the body.